here. It's Steve Super Nicos. Welcome to our channel. Good day, Super Mummas. I miss you all. How is everyone doing? I hope you had a great Christmas and awesome New Year. So in this video, we'll be talking about three things. So the first one is New Year's resolution ideas. Second is how to choose your word of the year. And third is I will be showing you my planner for this year. So without further ado, let's get started. Super Mamas, here are the 10 best New Year's resolution ideas in 2020 if you are doing one. Okay, first is to learn a new skill or hobby. So for example, for me, my goal for this year is I want to learn to do makeup. Just simple makeup. So if you have a channel that's been following who makes very easy and simple mommy makeup tutorial, just comment down below or tag me on IG or Facebook, and I will check on it. Second, focus on my health. So I think at least 30-minute walk or exercise a day will be a big help. And reminding myself, don't eat like a pig. Alright, third is read at least 2 to 5 books a year. So I am interested in financial and parenting books. So if you have any suggestions, please comment down below and I will take a look at it. Fourth is enhance your talents or skills. I think by enhancing your skills or talents, you need to share and constantly practicing it. So for example, you have a talent in baking. You need to bake more. So you learn some techniques about it. Fifth is spend time with husband. Date with your husband, even walking, talking, watching movie, just the two of you. Sixth is cultivate patience with the kids. So understanding them while they are crying over spilled milk. So sometimes we don't know why they're crying a lot. We just need to understand them and doing what they really wanted and not what we want as parents. But of course, in some things like eating lollies and chocolates in the morning, of course, that's a big no-no. Yeah. Number 7, create a family financial budget. So for example, making lists of the things we need to buy at the groceries and don't spend too much on the things that we want. Focusing on the things that we need. So I will be showing you my planner this year. It's quite big. Yeah, that is one of my reasons why I chose this kind of planner is I will be putting everything here. I will make just like a ledger, credit debit thingy, so I would know where did we spend much in a month or in a year. Number 8 is long driving or traveling at least once a year with your family. Yeah, so just in local. Number 9, take more selfies and post on your social medias. Yes, Super Mamas, life is too short. You'll be shocked that you didn't get more selfies when you didn't have wrinkles on your face. So just take more selfies and post that in your social medias. I will try to do this and share in my stories in Facebook and Instagram. So if you haven't followed us on Instagram, please follow us, Team Super Nicos, and in our Facebook page, please like our Facebook page, Team Super Nicos. Thank you so much for that. And number 10 is be optimistic and stop doubting yourself or comparing others to you. We are all unique. We have different talent, each and every one of us. She's good in cooking, you are good in baking. She's good in that skill, you are good in everything. Stop comparing yourself to others. Here are just an ideas on making your 2020 New Year's resolution. But of course, you can make on your own. You can make just 1 or 100, it's up to you. But if you don't want to make this long New Year's resolution, which in the end will fail sometimes, most of the time, yeah. Why not choose a word of the year for yourself? So here are some of the tips in choosing word of the year. First one is you can review your New Year's resolution or goals this year. Second, look for motivational and inspirational quotes. Maybe they will help you. Third is make your own vision board. I don't know if I will be making vision board this year, but if I make one, if I had an opportunity to make one, I will be showing it to you. And number 4, while doing tips 1 to 3, list sentences or possible words that you may want to consider. So as I can see, my goals or my New Year's resolution for this year, these are my goals too. So I think I found organize, financial. I think I found just 4. I think I found organized, happy, adventure, yeah, can be. What else? Enthusiasm, optimism, optimism. Yeah. So focus. Yeah. So those are the words that I found in my goals for this year. And the last part is choose what your word of the year is. It is okay if you can't decide in one sitting. Just be cool about it and do what favors you. And don't stress too much. So I think my word for the year is focus. Just focus. Focus. Yeah, it's up to you what you want to choose. Yeah, it's just an inspiration for us super mamas. It's better to have an inspiration. Yeah. And the last thing is I will show you my planner. So this is my planner. It's quite big. It's color pink because it's my favorite color. I got this from Kmart. It has a plastic, so I take it out from the plastic. And it has a bookmark, one bookmark here. Yeah. So we got this from Kmart for $8. So when you open it, so they have Australian, New Zealand, school public holidays there, international holidays. Yeah. I will be writing my New Year's resolutions here. And this is the one that I'm talking about, the ledger thingy. So this is for the month of January. They have date, description, reference, any reference, debit, credit, balance, remarks. So I'm just doing this. I used to do this when I was working. Yeah, so there's a lot of space to write. I love writing. When I was single, when I was still single, I used to buy a planner every year, and because I love writing. I write every day in my journal, everything that happens to my life. And then when I got married and have kids, I don't have time to write about it. But I will strive to do it this year. Yeah, just making some. Yeah, I like it. It's color pink and it's only $8. Yeah, so I think they have another color. I don't know. I don't remember if it's black or blue. I'm planning to put my name in here. So as I told you earlier, I wanted to list all of the transactions that we'll be making this year per month, then evaluate it in the end of the year. And yeah, so if you have a planner or New Year's resolutions, goals for this year, please share it with us so other mamas can learn from it too. Tag us in Facebook or in your Instagram account, so we can see your creativity on how you make your own planner for this year. If you don't have one, it's okay. It's really okay if you don't have one. I love writing, that's why I bought new planner for this year. That's my goal. But if you choose not to have one, then it's okay. That's fine. Alright. So that's it for today, Super Mummas. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. And if you do, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to our channel to see more stuff like this. Just click the red subscribe button. And also please click that notification bell so you'll be updated every time we publish our new video. Yeah, if you have any questions, any suggestions, recommendations, inspirations, everything about New Year's resolutions, planner, and word of the year, please comment down below. I love reading all of your comments. I reply to all of your comments. Yes, please comment down below. Happy New Year, Super Mummas. Hope you will have a wonderful, prosperous, and beautiful 2020. This is your Super Mama Lenny Chu saying you only live once. Just do what you love to do without hurting anyone physically and emotionally. Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope to see you again. Mwah!